Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last week's recipe video where we showed you how to make the delicious corned beef kimchi fried rice. If you haven't seen it, we highly recommend that you do. We're including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified when we upload a new video every week. In today's video, we will show you how to make a hearty and healthy breakfast. It's a spinach scramble. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. Eggs, your choice of greens. We are using a spinach, baby kale, and Swiss chard mix. Let's cook. First, we will crack the eggs in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of water. This will fluff up the eggs. And whisk the eggs until everything is yellow. In a pan, we will spray some avocado oil spray and lightly saute the greens. This will seem that it's a lot of greens, but as the greens cool down, it will reduce its size to at least half. Once the greens are part cooked, we will reduce the heat to low or medium-low and slowly pour the egg mixture. Once the eggs are added, slowly mix with a wooden spatula. After a minute or so, turn off the heat. The remaining heat in the pan will finish cooking the eggs. We will finish off by seasoning with salt and black pepper to taste. This breakfast easily serves 2 people. We will finish off the dish by adding some crispy bacon that we fried in the air fryer and drizzle the eggs with salsa. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. We would like to remind you to follow us on Instagram. We post daily. If you would like us to recreate one of the meals from our Instagram feed, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye.